Hi friends, welcome to Crackyo's video series. Today we are going to discuss the important general awareness questions for CMAT and TISNET. For more video updates, please do like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's see the first question. Bhava is a traditional dance form of Rajasthan. This dance is like the male and female performers balance a number of earthen pots or brass pitchers as they dance nimbly. That is, while dancing, they balance many of the earthen pots on their heads and perform dance. Dash are the nomads of the Jammu and Kashmir. Gujjar Bakarwals are the nomads of Jammu and Kashmir. Peace Prize of the German Book Trade 2020 was won by Amartya Sen. He is an Indian economist. Indian Railways has targeted to become Green Railway by 2030. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? Chandragupta I was the founder of Gupta dynasty. He reigned from 320 to 330 CE, that is Common Era. He is the grandson of Sri Gupta. Sri Gupta is the first known ruler of Gupta line. When was Dandi March undertaken? Dandi March was undertaken on 12th March 1930. It is also called as Salt March. Dandi March started from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi to protest against the steep tax the British levied on salt. Friends, Crackyo is providing previous papers of CMAT and TISNET. Please do visit our website and download those papers for your better practice. The Battle of Tallikota was fought in the year. 1565. It was fought between the forces of Hindu Raja of Vijayanagar and four allied Muslim sultans of Bijapur, Bidar, Ahmednagar and Golconda. It was fought at a site which is now northern Karnataka. Brabant Stadium is located at Mumbai. It was built on 90,000 square yards of land.
We at Crackyo provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, ZAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
The term short corner is related to which sport? The term short corner is related to hockey. Short corner is also called as penalty corner. Which of the following planet is also called as red planet? Mars is also called as red planet. It appears in the sky as orange red star. That color is due to the rust in Martian rocks. How fast do raindrops fall to the ground? The raindrops fall 10 to 12 meters per second. It's the speed of the raindrop. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? President of India appoints Attorney General of India. He appoints on the advice of Union Cabinet under Article 76 of the Constitution. Which of the following high courts exercises jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Calcutta High Court exercises jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Islands? It is the oldest high court in India. It has jurisdiction over the state of West Bengal and Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest patent CMAT mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and the best score. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for the Election Commission? Article 324 of Indian Constitution provides for Election Commission. Which ocean has the longest coastline? Atlantic Ocean has the longest coastline. Canada is the country which has the longest coastline. Where is Doyang Hydroelectric Power Station located? It is located in Nagaland in Wokha district. It is constructed on the river Doyang. It was built in the year 2000. Dash is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere. It extends from the top of thermosphere. Which of the following is false about minimum wages? A minimum wage law benefits all unskilled workers. This is the false about minimum wages. Nikkei index is related to which stock market? It is related to Tokyo Stock Exchange. An increase in price will decrease the consumer surplus. Friends, CrackU is providing latest patent TISNET mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website CrackU and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Flipkart acquired which online shopping? Flipkart acquired Walmart. Sprite and Fanta are the companies owned by Coca-Cola. Name of the first person to win Paramveer Chakra. Major Somnath Sharma is the first person to win Paramveer Chakra. Who was the founder of Social Service League? N.M. Joshi is the founder of Social Service League. Narayan Malhar Joshi is the founder of Social Service League. It was founded in the year 1911. Who was the first transgender to receive Padma Shri Award? Nartaki Nataraj is the transgender to receive Padma Shri Award. She received the Padma Shri Award in the year 2019 for Bharatanatyam. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more video updates. Thank you.